Nganzakwethu njengoba sinithembisile ukuthi sizokhuluma with one of the organizers we-Mother of All Maskandi Festival. Ngenhlanhla ke sithole umnumzane uNgobe ozositshela kabanzi mfowethu usuku seligcine selifikile.
Mntakababa kunjalo ngoba sikhona la kwindawo yesigameko njengoba besho nje niyabona we are building up usuku lwakusasa nje sikhulekela nje ukuthi mhlambi uNkulunkulu asiphe nje lingabi nayo imvula this time around ngoba niyabona i-setup izinga sisaqhubeka nezinga lesaziwa ngalo so far kusahamba kahle selizolafika usuku nje singathanda nje ukuthi abantu baphume ngobuningi bathenga amathikithi asatholakala belungisela ukuza emcimbini kuzoba usuku olumnandi nje sizojabula sonke.
Ngiyazi ukuthi it takes a lot ukuhlela umcimbi onjengalo. Tell us about indlela nje nihambile nizama ukuthi yonke into ibe njengoba nje ngiyazi ukuthi benifisa mhlambe nokukhuphula izinga umcimbi osoke waba khona lo ukufuna mhlambe ukuthi kube khona okunye edayo okusha. Tell us about the journey organizing this.
Yeah, akuyona into elula nento encane for event of this magnitude idinga all izinto ama-resources ne-human capacity so izinto ke kakhulukazi if you have a vision yokufuna ukuba unique and do izinto proper so it requires ukuthi early planning nezinye izinto ezibalulekile ezingama-basics you need to cover them so ke from get go siqala ekuqaleni konyaka there are a lot of ground that has always been covered already up to lesi sigaba esikusona so ama-touch-ups here and there but we're ready for ukuthi kusasa sibe ne-event.
I-Mother of All Maskandi first i-concept ehlukile. Tell us about the inspiration eyenza nje nize nifike kwi-concept ehluke kangaka from all other concepts.
Well siyazi ukuthi imicimbi khona ama-festival akhona kuba ukuthi umehluko i-vision njengoba usho nayo ne-concept okwethu thina we pride ourselves ukuthi sizodevelop abaculi kakhulukazi labo abaculi bangavamiseli ukuthola i-platform nabangavamiseli ukuthola ama-opportunities. We are trying to do that and asikwenzi lokho thina si-Mother All sisodwa kodwa we do that with abalandeli ngoba phela ibona abayi-driving force yalento so far I'm saying ngicabanga ukuthi we're getting there. Look, last year sibe ne-artist uGajeni elwini Quantum and this year khona i-artist elisha futhi nalo elizowina Quantum njalo njalo so those are izinto ezi-tangible esithi sifike nazo endimeni nayo-ke indaba ukuthi abaculi siyabacompensate for ukuthi babe khona la tomorrow nje abaculi esinabo in total bawu-51 all of them bayakhokhelwa bonke labo baculi ngisho nalaba kuthiwa babhula amazolo thina siyabakhokhela labo bantu abanjalo so we really want to make it ibe nomahluko in that respect.
Mhlawumbe i-top bani ekuyiyona ezobe ikhona ibanga i-Quantum?
Well kuyaziwa phela ukuthi this competition is about top 30 so those abanikazi balo mcimbi laba esithi bakwi-top 30 so it's out there abantu baziwayo bebevotelwa abalokhuzana abalandeli nabathandi bomculo and even nokungena kwabo it was through ama-nomination benominatwa abalandeli nabaculi.
Futhi yila umuntu eba nethuba methanda umculo ukuthi athi umculo wami ngiyafisa ukumbona kwi-All Maskandi Festival.
Yes kukanjalo ukuthi ma umculi unabo abantu abakulandelayo nabathanda umculo wakho only way abangakhombisa ngayo ngoba kulesikhathi namhlanje siyazi ukuthi lokhu ku-music udayiseka kanzima iy'tolo ezinye sezawa and so forth so ke mhlambe to try and show i-support ne-appreciation kulo mculi lowo umfake kwi-Mother of All ngoba at least usuke une-guarantee ukuthi noma kangasalwinanga i-Quantum kodwa uzobhadalwa ngokuba ingxenye yomcimbi
khona azokuzuza.
Yes, that's correct.
Siyabonga futhi kakhulu.
Ngiyathokoza kakhulu.
Thank you.